blend the green chili peppers, mint, and chopped coriander with a little water in a mixer until smooth and set aside. Heat some oil in a pot and add sliced onions. Sauté until golden brown. Then add cumin powder, garlic paste, and ginger paste and sauté. Now add the green paste and sauté. Then mix some of the paste with yogurt and add to the onions, and sauté. Now add the meat and sauté until browned. Then add the spices and sauté. Next, add boiling water, stir, and let it simmer until the meat is cooked. Bring water with some salt to a boil and add the rice. Cook until half done, then drain. Season the meat mixture with salt and transfer it to a clay pot, or any heavy-bottomed pot. Add the chopped potatoes and soaked dried plums, mix well. Then add chopped tomatoes, chopped mint, coriander, and fried onions. Add the drained rice and the mix of milk and saffron. Cover and cook on low heat for about 30 minutes, using a damnai, a cloth under the lid, to ensure steam doesn't escape. Serve and enjoy your delicious beef biryani. Garnish with fried onions, mint, and coriander. Bon appétit!